I'm John Beer from John Beer Contracting, and welcome back to the Fine Homebuilding House here in Cornwall, New York. So we're just about done with the project, and one of the last things that we did here was install a standby generator from Champion. Today we're here to talk about why we did it and how we installed it. We installed a 22 kilowatt fully automatic Champion standby generator. As part of the package from Champion, we also installed an automatic transfer switch and 4 load management modules. Our house is mostly electric, so between the house and the shop that we built here, having a generator that is fully automatic that comes on as soon as we lose power is really important. It will power our entire panel with priority given to the air condensers for the HVAC system and our hot water heater. It will sense the loss of utility power and immediately crank on the standby generator and switch the panel over automatically using the transfer switch so that you have a loss of power for maybe about 60 seconds before the generator kicks on and energizes your whole panel. As soon as the electrical grid is restored, it will sense that and then shut off the generator and reroute power from the utility back to the panel again. To integrate a standby generator into the house, you need a couple of different things. The main thing is obviously the generator itself. You need a fuel source of some kind. In our case, that was a 300-gallon propane tank. You need an automatic transfer switch that ties into the panel. Load management modules connect directly to whichever appliance you want to give priorities. With all of those things installed, we now have fully automatic power to both the house and the shop for my business. We chose to install the generator on the side of our driveway about 30 feet from the house. Keeps the noise level down, but it also keeps it fairly out of view. The generator has this really cool double door feature. Once it's closed, it really cuts the noise level of the generator down when it's running. I think at full load, it runs about 67 decibels. There was a point, I think, in the build when I realized we were relying a lot on electrification, and I realized that it didn't have a good backup plan for losing power. So having the fully automatic standby generator really buys me peace of mind at the end of the day. It's definitely something we'll recommend to clients, especially as we push for more electrification. It becomes increasingly important to have power all the time uninterrupted. I would definitely recommend a unit like this to a client so that they can also have the same peace of mind.